Welcome to Crafts for Kindness. I'm Elena, and today we will be making positivity jars. These are great for cheering somebody up or just showing kindness to yourself. Let's get started.
You will need a jar with a lid, embellishments like ribbons, stickers, jewels, etc., a copy of our affirmation slips and or blank paper, scissors or a paper cutter, pens and or markers if using a blank paper.
First, cut the affirmations. I'm using a paper cutter, but scissors would work fine. You can print and use my affirmations or write your own. Next, fold the affirmations in half and place them in the jar. Now it's time to decorate. I'm going to attach a sticker that says Positivity Jar and tie a ribbon around the neck of the jar and put a heart sticker. And now you're done. Give your jar to anyone who needs a pick-me-up or keep it for yourself. Check out the description for the link to my blog and subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Bye!